today we have the Rikon 10-326 14-inch Deluxe bandsaw. It is a 14-inch throat capacity, approximately 13-inch resaw height. It's a 1 3/4 horsepower motor, pre-wired 110 with a molded plug, can be rewired 220. A few of the features include solid cast wheels above and below. Also has spring-loaded ball bearing blade guides above and below the table. So you have them here and here for easy adjustment. Also have quick tension on the blade for easy blade changes. Have a sight indicator with a tension guide for different size blades. Also have a sight indicator on the side for tracking, blade tracking. Rack and pinion guide adjustment for up and down for your blade guides. Have a tall aluminum resaw fence with a resaw guide if needed. And another unique feature on this saw is a drift adjusting fence. Simply loosen this knob, turn right or left, and you can adjust for drift. Also have storage down below, a shelf where you can add your extra blades or other supplies. Nice heavy duty cast iron trunnion, large cast iron work table. On the back side of the saw, you've got your blade tensioning. You've also got your blade tracking. Got a push stick, easily mounts out of the way. You've also got your Allen wrenches mounted to the saw for easy access. Got a 4-inch dust port. And you've also got an accessory outlet to add magnetic light or other accessory that you might want to add.